Sa totoo lang, hindi naman ang budget ang punteriya ninyo dahil napakadali naman magtanggal ng budget. What you are trying to do is make a case for impeachment. So, you may try to destroy me, you can skin me alive and throw my ashes to the wind, but let it be known, you will find me unbound. I will not allow myself to be subjected to an inquiry based on an empty, privileged speech, just so you can attack me and do indirectly what you failed to do directly during the budget hearings. Shukran.